Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the part 2 of algebra. So let's get started. Algebraic expression. An algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which is made up of variables and constants along with algebraic operations, addition, subtraction, etc. Expressions are made up of terms. They are also termed algebraic equations. For example, we have an algebraic expressions as 3x plus 4y minus 7 and 4x minus 10. Types of algebraic expressions. So there are actually 4 main types of algebraic expressions. Here I guess I'm mistaken by writing. So we have monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial expressions. So there are basically 4 main types of algebraic expressions. Monomial expression. An algebraic expression which is having only one term is known as monomial. Example of monomial expression include 3x to the raised power of 4. So these are like only one term. These contain only one term like that. Binomial expression. A binomial expression is an algebraic expression which is having two terms which are unlike or like. They can be like too. Example of binomial includes 5xy plus 8, xyz plus x to the raised power of 3. So these contain two terms, no more than that or less than that. Trinomial. So trinomial contains three terms, for example 3x minus y plus 4z. Polynomial. In general, an expression with more than one term is known as polynomial. So that can contain two terms, three terms, four terms, and even more than four terms. Like it can also contain 10 terms or 100 terms, like that. It just goes on forever. So, but if we have only one term, that cannot be called as polynomial. For example, we have ax plus by plus ca, or x to the raised power of 3 plus 2x plus 3 minus 1, etc. Degree of a polynomial. A polynomial's degree is the highest or the greatest power of a variable in a polynomial equation. For example, 6x to the raised power of 4 plus 2x to the raised power of 3 plus 3 is a polynomial. Here 6x to the raised power of 4 and 2x to the raised power of 3 and 3 are the three terms where 6x to the raised power of 4 is leading a term and 3 is a constant term. The coefficient of the polynomial are 6 and 2. So here you can see we have an algebraic expression 4x to the raised power of 3 plus 5x to the raised power of 2 minus 2. So here the degree is 3. So it is the most greatest power here, or the most largest power. So we have two other power, and this constant term also has a power, but it is 0, x to the raised power of 0. It also has, we don't represent it in an algebraic equation because it really does no change. So if you want to take it, we have 3, 2 and 0 as the powers. So here we can clearly see that 3 is the greatest among all. So the 3 is the degree of a polynomial. Types of polynomial. So here types of polynomial based on its degree. Here if we had 0 degree, it's called as constant polynomial, as I just said here. So this is actually a wait. So this is actually a constant, as you can see. So it has a variable, but it has 0 power, so that's basically called constant polynomial. If we had 1 power, it's called linear polynomial. In the next video, I'm going to say why is it called linear polynomial. And if we add the degree 2, it's called quadratic polynomial with degree 3, cubic polynomial with degree 4, quadratic polynomial. How to find degree of a polynomial? Step 1, ignore all the coefficients. So you basically don't need the coefficients. Step 2, arrange the power in descending order. So we got here 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. So we are going to ignore all the variables then. So without that we have the same. Actually here it needed to be x to the raised power of 5 plus x to the raised power of 3. I guess I made a mistake there too, I'm sorry. So we are going to arrange it in descending order and we are going to ignore the variables. And then we got here 5, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So here the first number, which is the greatest because we arranged it in descending order will be the degree. So degree of the polynomial is 5 here in this algebraic expression. So here you can see this is the expression which is divided into terms. We have 2 terms here and that terms are divided into factors. So we have here in this term we have 3a and a. It's written 2a's because a to the raised power of 2 basically just means a into a. So yeah, a to the raised power of 2 just means a into a. So that's why here we have different factors, that's called factors, as you know. So here we have an expression which is divided into terms, which is further divided into factors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my both channels, Education Now and Fun Now.